Welcome to 7-minute guided meditation, cultivating inner peace. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably and gently close your eyes. Begin by feeling the weight of your body against the surface you're on. Take a deep breath in, expanding your chest and belly. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Continue to breathe deeply, focusing solely on your breath. Bring your attention to your toes. Imagine a warm, soothing light starting at your toes and gradually moving up through your feet, ankles, calves, and thighs. Feel each muscle relaxing as the light passes through. Continue the scan moving up through your torso, arms, and neck. Visualize a serene lake surrounded by lush greenery. The water is crystal clear, reflecting the sky above. Imagine yourself sitting by the shore, feeling the gentle breeze on your skin. With each breath, see ripples forming on the lake's surface, expanding outward. Thoughts may arise, worries, plans, memories. Acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine placing each thought on a leaf and letting it float away on the lake. Return your focus to your breath. Shift your awareness to your heart center in the middle of your chest. Visualize a radiant golden light there. As you breathe, feel this light expanding, filling your entire chest. With each inhale, love and compassion flow into your heart. Think of something you're grateful for, a person, a moment, or simply being alive. Feel that gratitude in your heart. Let it grow and radiate outward. Gratitude is a powerful healer. Expand your awareness beyond your body. Feel connected to the world around you, the trees, the birds, the earth. Imagine a web of light connecting you to all living beings. Create an inner sanctuary, a place of safety and peace. It could be a cozy room, a mountaintop, or a beach. Explore this sanctuary in your mind. What do you see? What do you feel? Think of someone you need to forgive, maybe even yourself. Send them thoughts of compassion. Imagine any hurt or resentment dissolving, leaving you free. Let go of all visualizations. Simply be. Feel the stillness within you. Your breath is gentle like a whisper. Time stands still. Slowly bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you into your day. Thank you for dedicating this time to your well-being. Namaste.